Good morning. Born to roam here, Johan, from the hammock underneath his Cuban winter palace in my ticket to the moon, since there's no mozzies anymore. Just an old sleeping bag for a top quilt, my JRB nose nibbler, and while I'm waiting for my honey ginger latte coffee to be boiled, well, the water that is, on the Trangia and the Vargo stove. After that I'm gonna have some breakfast. Powdered eggs that will be scrambled and some bacon. Bacon and eggs. Breakfast from the hammock. What else? What else? Life is good. So that means coffee. And look, see, bacon bits. Bacon bits. I put on the simmering. And now it's just stirring a bit. And adding some egg powder, adding some water, stirring a bit more, adding some pepper. And breakfast is done. While I'm enjoying my cup of joe. Well, almost forgot to film it and eat it first. Bacon and eggs from the hammock. Nom 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 nom. Bacon and eggs bouillon, or other people would call it dishwater. I'm just gonna sip it down. And off to visit my neighbor, Jan, who is in his Hennessy, enjoying his coffee and his shack. That means tobacco, not the English shack. Otherwise I wouldn't be filming that. He looks like a comfy man. Snuck back under quilt. Spear winter tarp. Ugly mother in the hammock. Yeah, bushcraft.